I want to show you a very quick tip on how to string tiny stone beads that are 2 mm. Unlike seed beads, because they are stone that is drilled, so unlike glass, which you can get really big hole with that you can get for threading needles. Stone, you can't drill it too much, and the outside being thin because it'll break. So oftentimes to get 2 mm beads, you'll have very small holes that are difficult to thread. Instead of taking them all out and re-threading, and sometimes the needles are too tight or too thick for the tight hole, there is such a thing as by SoftTouch, the very fine, for especially hand-cut stones. But I want to show you a tip. And basically, instead of taking it all out and then try to rethread it, which is very difficult, what I do is, if possible, put the thread close to meeting the thread together with the SoftTouch, and I should have done that earlier, where I lean this here like this. If the thread is thin enough that allows this part, so you embed this into the thread and then just shift. So just shift over or push as you move. You can do that. The other thing that you could possibly do, if it is a case this plus this becomes too thick, then you have to get used to holding it like this still in your fingers. Don't let the stone roll around your fingers, and then so that it's straight and you can get quite a few in there at once, so you're not doing one at a time.